So hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel everyone. Today we are back with the market analysis for the 26th of the March, and we'll also see that what has happened in the market today. So let's see first of all what has happened in the market today. How was our indices for today? And as we move to see the NSE indices, the major indices on the NSE, here is the Nifty 50 almost 1.54% down today. Nifty next 50 is also down, and as you can see, the most of the indices here on the screen you can see is in the red today. Almost all is in the red today except this. The volatility index was green. The volatility has changed and has been getting even higher day by day. So this was the outlook for the market, completely bearish, very much or completely similar to the what we have shared with you yesterday. We were completely bearish on the market, and as you have seen today also, market has been in the red, complete red zone. So yeah, our analysis was almost there or completely similar to what we have told has happened in the market. Now let's see the two stocks that we have talked about, the top losers in the NSE yesterday. As we have seen, the one loser was Tata Motors, and as I have told you, don't short sell Tata Motors as of now, because there is a fall we have seen in the Tata Motors, but this is more of a consolidation in the Tata Motors. Only short sell Tata Motors once it touched its EMA, this blue line. If it touched this line and then turn around again, then you can short sell on the Tata Motor. That was the level I have given you, and that's exactly what has happened. And let's see in the Tata Steel what has happened in the Tata Steel, which was again the major loser yesterday, and we have talked about that also. And here is the Tata Steel, and let's move to the daily chart of the Tata Steel. And as we have talked about it, the 692 level, this EMA level, the yesterday's EMA level, which was around 692 or 693, below that I have told you to be short on the Tata Steel. But Tata Steel, as you can see, this candle, the today's candle, right now my cursor is on, and you can see that it has received a rejection on the lower side. Here you can see the rejections on the lower side, means that BO were not able the prices to be get accepted here. So this was the rejection that the Tata Steel has received today in the bear market. It has received rejection over here, and this green candle is a bullish one. So right now we'll be short on the Tata Steel below this EMA only. Above that we can't be short on the Tata Steel. Now, as we have seen the NSE indices, here are the list of the NSE indices, all are in red. And as we talk about Sensex, down 740 points today, and as we can see that Reliance and Infosys lead the market fall for the Sensex. 26 of the 30 Sensex stocks end the day in the red, and top index gainer for the Sensex was DRL and ICICI Bank, and the volume toppers for the Sensex and over the market is SBI, Reliance, Axis Bank, HDFC Bank, and ITC. So these were the thing about the Sensex. And now let's see the chart of the Nifty, what Nifty chart has told us today. Let's go to the Nifty 50 chart first. And as I have told you, look at here, this M pattern or the double top that we have created yesterday, and we told this is the neckline of it. And as you can see today, Nifty 50 has closed below this, completely bear move in the market, and again this red candle. And as you can see, the blue EMA is also turning a slightly downside, and this big green candle has closed below the neckline. This is the neckline, to be very specific. This red one is the neckline. Nifty has taken support here, again tried to go high, received rejection, and again fallen below. So we can still be short on the Nifty 50. I am short on the Nifty 50 as of now, because now it has broken its support, the neckline support. We can see the further fall. The only one thing is some positive news, or as our market is mostly synced with the US market, if something good happens there, then we can see a little up move. But on the outlook given by the chart, I am completely bearish on the market as of now. I'm completely bearish. Look here, this is the important level, the neckline, the support one has taken support here, but prices have got rejections over here. These two candles have got rejections over here, and then market again started falling. As we have mentioned yesterday, similar thing has happened. Yesterday I was saying that Nifty is going to take support on this neckline, and today Nifty has breached it. Breached it means Nifty is bearish for sure. Now let's see it on the hourly time frame. What hourly time frame has for us? If you are a day trader or a scalper, hourly chart means more than the daily charts for you. So now this is the hourly chart for us. Let's zoom out a bit to see. Now look at here what is happening. Our M pattern which we have made on the daily time frame, as you can see that here also this pattern, Nifty has respected this pattern here on hourly time frame also. As we can see here, this is the neckline, and here these candles have been made here below the support line. So yeah, one can be short on the Nifty right now. One can be short on the Nifty right now for sure. Nifty is losing right now. Let's see the Nifty Bank. What is happening in the Nifty Bank? Let's see them. Okay, so now this is the Nifty Bank. Here is the Nifty Bank, and here we have made a triangle yesterday, as you can see, and I have told you this is the important level. Below this, Nifty Bank is bearish, and as you can see in the hourly chart, Nifty Bank has breached below this. Let's first see the daily chart for a better picture. Now this is the daily chart. As you can see, this candle has closed below this. Now what has happened? This red line, if you can see this red line, let me scroll back a bit and let me show you now. This red line has been a good resistance for the Bank Nifty in the past. So what has happened? The Bank Nifty has faced resistance on this particular level in the past and could not breach it. But here on this day, on the 1st Feb 2021, the Bank Nifty has breached this level and have gone above. So now this resistance will act as a support for the Bank Nifty. That's why our triangle pattern has completed, and Bank Nifty has breached it, still could not fall below because of this level. Now this is the important level, this red line my cursor is on right now, this red line 32,600 or 700 level. This zone is an important zone. Let me show you clearly what level is it. Let's create a zone out here, and here this zone that I have marked right now on the chart, this zone is important zone. If Bank Nifty falls below this, then there's no one helping Bank Nifty. Then Bank Nifty will fall like anything. As we can see this on the hourly chart also. Let's go to the hourly chart, see what is happening on the hourly chart. Here is the hourly chart for the Bank Nifty, and here we can see this. Here we can see that this support zone, as I have marked it on the daily chart, Bank Nifty has respected it. Below this, Bank Nifty is short. Then if Bank Nifty comes below this level, then there is nobody helping Bank Nifty from falling 2,000 to 3,000 points. This is the important level for the Bank Nifty. Keep watching for this level. This is the marked level. As you can see, this zone is the support zone for the Bank Nifty. Very strong support zone, because as I have shown you on the daily chart, this zone has been a great resistance for the Bank Nifty in the past, and it has breached it over here. Now this level is going to act as a support for the Bank Nifty. So this is the very important level to watch out. And as we have seen on the Nifty 50 chart, here is the Nifty 50 chart. This M pattern has been respected and by the daily charts and the hourly chart both, and Nifty 50 is also going below. So what are my expectations is this: the Nifty 50 is definitely bearish. We can see more bear move. Obviously we can see a little bit consolidation in the Nifty, as it is falling from the past 2 days. We can see a little consolidation, but I am bearish on the market on the daily and the hourly basis both. And Bank Nifty, I have shown you the level, very important level, as I have shown you this level as we have marked. This is the very important level for the Bank Nifty. Below this, there is no support for the Bank Nifty, absolutely no support. If it goes below with the heavy volume, then nobody is stopping the downfall in the Bank Nifty. Nobody is. Now let's see who are the gainers in the market in the NSE. Let's see who are the gainers and the losers. Let's check it out. So Tata Steel was one of the gainer, and as we have told you to short below 692, and it does not happen. It has not happened, and as we can see, then this share has moved up. So yeah, this is, if somebody is trading on the bot side, then anybody could have been long on this stock. As we have mentioned, it is bearish below 692 only. And Dr. Reddy, we have seen good move. ICICI Bank, HDFC both helped the Sensex also, and here and Nifty also. And here are some top losers. IOC the biggest loser for the day, Maruti followed by Maruti in Call India, Bharti Airtel, Hindu Unilever, and these are the stocks. Those have fallen and fallen badly. Maruti and IOC has fallen the most. Now for tomorrow's intraday trade, as we can see, one stock is going to be our this one. I think that was, no, sorry, not this one. This one, though, as I have told you, what you can do with this one, and this is the Tata Motor one that I have talked about. Now this is the Tata Motor one. Here it is consolidating a bit. Hopefully we'll see a bear move over here. It will try to go and touch this resistance. Once it touched the resistance, then you can be completely short on the Tata Motors. Let's see the IOC, if it is giving us some important level to trade on. Let's check it out. Let's go to the Indian Oil Corporation. Here it is, IOC. It is the hourly chart of the IOC, and as we have seen it, oh my god, this, look at this. Here the gap, and then the fall and fall and fall, and here we can see a little bit of consolidation has happened. By the end of the day, by the end of the today, we have seen a bit of consolidation. Let's see on the daily time frame what the daily time frames has for us of the Indian Oil Corporation, IOC. And here is the IOC. We can see this has breakdown below this. It's a 50-day exponential moving average, and it is looking very weak as of now, but this one is going to be the important level. Now here it has stopped because this line has in past it has faced a little bit of resistance over here right now, so it can take a support here. So below this level, be short on the IOC. Below this level you can be short on the IOC. Below this level, IOC, short on IOC below this level that I have marked on the screen right now. You can be short on the IOC below this level. And one more stock that we have talked about was our Tata Motors. And let's see what we can see in the Bharti Airtel. So Maruti is not a good share to trade on, so let's see Bharti Airtel. Let's check this out on the Bharti Airtel. And as we are here on the daily chart of the Bharti Airtel, let's analyze it. So this is Bharti Airtel's daily time frame. Now let's see, as I can see here, a pattern is forming in the Bharti Airtel Limited. Let's try to draw that pattern, and here we go. Here is something what has made and has been. So now here it looks like a rising wedge, a little bit of rising wedge in the downtrend. So it is a bearish signal on this Bharti Airtel daily chart. So yeah, definitely we can further short Bharti Airtel tomorrow also, and it is respecting our pattern on the hourly basis. Also has breached down below this, and as we can see, so you can be short on the Bharti Airtel. So IOC, Bharti Airtel, IOC, the important level we have marked for you. Below that level you can be short on the IOC as well. Here is the level of the IOC that you can short below. Bharti Airtel you can short tomorrow morning, just seeing if it starts with the bear move. Wait for a little bit of bear move, wait for one more red candle. If that red candle comes early, then you can enter and you can short the Bharti Airtel, no problem with that. Tata Motors, we have given you the level, and overall market, we are bearish on the market. As I have shown you on the Nifty also, it has breached the neckline, so we can be further short on the Nifty 50. But for the Bank Nifty to be short on the Bank Nifty, we have to see that the support line that I have marked on the chart, the support line that I have marked, this support line, if this has been breached, then there's nobody stopping the fall of the Bank Nifty, only below this short Bank Nifty. Otherwise we can see a little consolidation over here near the support, and we can see a rise or a fall after that. And my expectations are a little bit of consolidation, then a bad fall in the Bank Nifty will come. So this was it for today, everyone. So I hope you have understood whatever been communicated to all of you. So thank you so much for watching this video, everyone. Please do like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much once again.